do some papaya salad, and at my video earlier I do like sticky beef jerky. Now I'm gonna do some papaya salad, okay? And let me show you what I have in papaya salad. They look like it's a bunch of ingredients, but it's so much fun to cook, and the taste is amazing. You got like a spicy, the sour, the sweet, the crunchy of the papaya. And what I have here, this is called pla-dek. If you don't know how to make homemade pla-dek for papaya, you can use this kind, okay? I use it before all the time when I run out some my homemade pla-dek, but I always make it like put in refrigerator that I'm gonna use today, okay? But this is a pla-dek, and then you have a fish sauce, and this is crab paste. Don't put too much, it's very dark. And you have a shrimp paste here, and then this one is shrimp. I will show you and open up, show you later. And this one is called Makok, okay? It's kind of like olive, but it's Makok, okay? And I don't use I use this one for chicken flavor. And sugar. All right, gonna put everything out like this. And now what I'm gonna have here are the pepper, red pepper, green pepper, dry pepper, and with garlic. So I use 3 pieces of garlic and my dry pepper, and 7 of each, okay? The green one and the red one, okay? Gonna go ahead put in here. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a little bit of the papaya, so that way the pepper don't pop everywhere. And I like to use my glasses right here, because you have to. I have very bad experience when I do papaya salad, so it's not gonna happen today. So I have my glasses on, okay? So then I smack them. You know, guys, when I make papaya salad, when I smack my pepper, I don't smack it very fine, and you know, I kind of like leave it chunky, because some people like it hot, some people don't, okay? The person who like it hot, they can go ahead, pick up the pepper and eat with the papaya salad. And for the person don't eat hot, so they have to kind of like put them to the side. See, that's all I'm gonna do, okay? And now I'm gonna go ahead put this in. Just like that. Also put this in, whole thing like that, okay? And I use a cherry tomato, and I love tomato. So when I have a garden in the backyard, but this one not from my garden, but when I do some garden, I just eat the tomato by itself. So I'm gonna put a lot of tomato, okay? When I cut, I love to do this. I see like, you know, like when I went to Laos, the lady, they do papaya salad. They always do this, and I say, "Ooh, that's so much fun!" So I start practice. Now become habit for me. Cut. I like it sour too, so. Now you wanna kind of like slide the them like that to get flavor. There you go. Now I'm gonna put all my ingredient. I have a sugar, chicken flavor, and this is fish sauce. I don't put too much because I'm gonna put the other stuff too, okay? Then we have a shrimp paste. Shrimp paste, you don't want to put too much, just about right there. This one is brand new, so I have to take the wax out. About that much. If you put too much, I'm gonna color smack it first. Put this away there fast. I'm gonna go ahead and put papaya in. Oh, one more thing. That's the most important here. Do you see this right here? That homemade pla-dek. Okay? So, I'm gonna put this much right here. Perfect. See? I will show you how to make homemade pla-dek, okay? For my next video.